एंड वेलकम टू स्वाति टेल्स। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हार्ड और सॉफ्ट ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में जो घर पर अवेलेबल हैं, बच्चे अपने घर पे देखते हैं, छूते हैं, इस्तेमाल करते हैं, खेलते हैं, ऐसी चीजें। सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे हार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स। हार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स वो होते हैं जिनको हम ब्रेक, बेंड, प्रेस और कट नहीं कर सकते या बहुत डिफिकल्टी होती है करने में, तो ऐसी चीजें। सबसे पहले एग्जांपल लेते हैं वुड और वुडन मटेरियल्स। हेलो ढोलू।
Hello, Mama.
How are you?
I am fine.
Acha, please tell me, what is this?
This is like hard.
This is hard, but what is this?
This no.
This is wood.
This is wood.
Wood, and it is hard or soft?
Hard.
This is hard.
Yes.
Okay. And what is this?
This is like a bat.
Bat, and this is hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. And what is this?
This
This is
B.
D. D for Dholu.
Blue.
And how is it? Hard or soft?
Yeah, hard.
Hard. Okay, and what is this?
This is
Huh? This is M.
this is M.
Huh? And it is hard or soft?
Hard.
This is hard. Okay, put all these things down there. And what is this? A wooden tray.
Wooden play.
Huh? And how is it? Hard or soft? This is hard or
Hard.
soft? Hard. And what about the pencil in your hand? Pencil in your hand is hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. All wooden things are hard. What about the staple?
Hard.
Hard. Say again.
Hard.
Hard. Second group of objects, plastic toys. Do you look at this? What is this?
This looks like scooter.
This looks like scooter. And this is hard or soft? Take in your hand and tell me. It's hard or soft?
Yeah, hard.
Hard. Now what is this?
This is zebra.
No. This is horse. Okay. And this is hard or soft?
Yeah, hard.
Hard. And what is this?
This is hammer.
Hammer. This is hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. And what is this?
This is dog.
Block. Green block. Okay. And this is hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. And what is this?
This is pencil.
Pen. Pen. And this is hard or soft? Hard or soft? What it is? Hard. Okay. Put it down on the table.
Money.
What is this? What is this? Sketch pen.
Sketch pen.
And this is hard or soft?
Yeah.
Hard. Hard. And what is this?
This
Letter S.
is
And this is hard or soft?
hard.
Hard. And what is this?
This
बताओ जल्दी.
yeah.
Thermometer. This is hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. Okay, all these things are made of plastic. All these things are plastic made things, and plastic made things are hard. Now Tolu, tell me, what is this?
This is look like that.
Glass. Okay, and this is hard or soft? Objects made of metals. Where are you? Huh? You're hiding behind this diya? Okay. What is this?
This
Huh?
look like deer.
This looks like diya. Okay. And is it hard or soft?
Yeah, hard.
Hard. This is hard. Okay. Let's keep it here. Now, what is this?
So much.
Chammach. And in English, spoon.
Food.
Okay. And what is it? Hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. And what is this?
This is the cutter.
And this is hard or soft?
Hard.
Okay. And what is this?
And this is coin.
And this is what? Hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. Take this one also.
Borrowed.
Both one. And do you know what is this? What is this? Do you know it?
This is
You don't know it?
hard.
This is hard. And what is this? Give me back. This is needle.
Needle.
This is needle, and this is hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard. Okay. And what is this?
Plate.
Plate. This is hard or soft?
Hard.
Okay, then all the metal things. This diya is metal thing. This is this spoon and this nail cutter, coins, needle, plate. All things are made of metal, and they are hard. What are they? What are they, Dholu? Hard. Dholu, what is this?
This is like potato.
This looks like potato, and this is hard or soft?
Yeah, hard.
Hard. Oh. Soft things वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स जिनको प्रेस बेंड और ब्रेक करना आसान होता है. सॉफ्ट थिंग्स मोस्टली टच में स्मूथ होते हैं. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल लेते हैं योर क्लोथ्स एंड सॉफ्ट टॉयज. Woof woof. Who is saying woof woof? On the table? It's a dog. And it's soft or hard? Huh? Soft. Say loudly.
So,
Soft. Okay. And what is this? This is elastic. This is elastic. This is hard or soft? Touch the elastic and tell me, hard or soft? Soft. Soft. And what about your socks? Is hard or soft? It's
soft.
soft. What about your sweater? It's hard or soft?
Yeah. Yeah, soft.
Soft. Okay. What about your jacket? It's hard or soft?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Soft.
Soft. Say loudly.
Soft.
Okay, all these things are made of cloth. This, made of cloth. This socks is made of cloth. This bag is made of cloth, and we can bend it. And this doggy is made of cloth. This is soft toy, and this is soft. We can bend it. And this elastic is made of cloth. This is also soft. This sweater is made of cloth. This is also soft. Okay, and this jacket is also made of cloth, and we can bend it. And this is also soft. Tulu, what is on the table? Flower, flower, and the third one?
Leaf.
Leaf. And they are hard or soft? They are hard or soft?
Soft.
Soft. Okay. What is this on the table?
Cotton.
Cotton. And is it soft or hard?
Soft.
Huh? Dhulu, what's in your hand? What's in your hand? What is this? Balloon. This is balloon, and this balloon is hard or soft? Tell me. Huh?
Hard.
Can you change its shape? Can you press it? Press it. Can you press it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is hard or soft?
Soft.
Say loudly.
Soft.
Soft. Oh. What's on the table?
Paper.
Paper. Okay. And they are hard or soft?
Soft.
They are soft.
Yes.
Okay. Can you bend them?
Yeah.
You can bend them this way. You can bend them this way. So they are soft.
Yeah.
They are soft. Thermocol. What is this?
This thermocol.
This is thermocol, and this is hard or soft?
Soft.
Soft. Can you break it? Can you break it?
Yes. Yes.
Break that one. That small one. Break it.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, now this is soft. Thermocol is soft. Say loudly, soft.
Soft.
What is on the table, Dholu?
This is bread.
This is bread. And this is hard or soft?
Soft.
Soft. Can you bend it?
Yeah.
You can bend it. Okay. Okay. Now this is soft.
Now it is soft.
Soft. Now say bye bye to the friends.
Bye bye.
Bye, Dholu.